Hello everyone, this program is part of Summer 2021 Graphic Novel Making Contest. We hope you decide to submit an entry. Contest guidelines, submission details, FAQs, and more are available at www.sjpl.org/graphic novels. Today we will show you how to draw Dogman. First, you will need a piece of paper and something to draw with, whether it's a pencil or a marker. So we're going to start with his snout. Okay, I'm going to start from the top right side and draw one line here and draw a little circle at the end. And now we're going to draw a curve here and then color the inside because the top part will be the shiny spot. And then after that, we're going to draw a dome for his head, half circle, and then we're going to draw a curve here, but sort of go straight to the right. So start from the up part and then go straight and up. Okay, we're going to go a little diagonal from that spot to here and just make a little dot there. And so that's going to go down and then all the way to the right, that's going to be his mouth. And now we're going to start his eyes. So his right eye is going to be longer and bigger than his left eye. So I'm going to curve in slightly the right eye and then curve inward slightly the left eye. And now we're going to draw his hat. A little line here. And then another line here, a little longer, and then closing up the triangle there. It's like a diamond shape. So the pointy ends on this side and this side are to line up. So we're going to draw a line going straight from the left to the right, and then color in the bottom half of it. And now we're going to draw his hat from this corner here, starting close to the top there and going down to that corner. And then another on this side here, and it's going it slightly inwards, not straight down, but inwards slightly. There you go. And then the top. And now we're going to draw a small W there. And then a half circle going underneath it. That's his little badge. And now we're going to do the ears. So his left ear is on this side here, smaller. There we go, pull it out and then back in. And this is his right ear, curving out much bigger than the other one, and then inwards. And now we're going to do his little scruff chin. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then draw his torso. So the spacing is going to be spaced outside of his scruff. I'm going to draw a line going down slightly outwards, and then another line here slightly outwards again, and then connect them at the bottom. And then draw a bigger W here. And then half a circle underneath again. And then we're going to do his paws now. So 1 curve, 2 curve, and 3 curves. You can see it as a backwards E and then close it up. That's his hand there, you see? And now we're going to make an E on this side here. So 1, 2, 3, and then connect the edges. See, that looks like an E. And then draw a little line there. This is his wrist. And then we're going to connect there, like a little triangle there. That's his arm. And then draw the bigger part of his arm there. and then connected to the bottom part of his hand. And the pointy part is his elbow. And now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So go a little outwards. And then connect there. That's his inner arm. And then his outer arm, sort of where the connects there, the edge, the corner there, and then out and then in. And that's his arm. And now let us draw out some legs. We're going to go a little inwards here. And then his inner leg is going to go straight down and space in length here. Go straight down. And then the same thing on the left side. It's going to go a little angled inwards. And then now you're going to draw a curve for his shoes. So go out and then in. It's like a teardrop sideways. And then the same thing on the other side. Go, start there and then curve out and then close it up. And that is Dogman. So now go ahead and color him in.
Thank you for joining me in the Sounds Lake Public Library. Please take a few minutes to fill out our program survey. For a complete list of other virtual programs, please visit sjpl.org/virtual programs. Also, don't forget to follow us at San Jose Library on Facebook and sign up for their newsletter at sjpl.org/e-newsletter to stay informed of all things SJPL. Have a great day.